Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear going ball cache. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in Apps and perform your search. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Going Balls and perform your search. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Clear Data option. Tap on it. To clear Going Ball cache, tap on Clear Cache option. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Going Balls cache. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.